Here's a machine with 5 mechanical elements that operate in perfect synchronization to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain. A chain link fence is built in a matter of seconds by 2 pieces of the same machine working in opposite directions. To bundle a hay bale in seconds, a machine with oscillating poles works in tandem with a revolving arm. A fast rotating wire brush attached to a street sweeper cleans up weeds on a weed-infested curb. A machine with a vertically rotating triangular metal template scores perfect triangle cuts to produce an expanded metal component. Using an outstanding power wash and an adjustable arm, brown sludge is cleaned from a block pipe. An arm with a flexible blob is dipped into a silkscreen pattern to design a bowl. The concentric rings of a new saucepan are made by a factory machine with a fast rotating motor and a sharp blade. To cut ribbed elbow pasta, the arm of this pasta cutter moves in a circular motion. This machine's various sized arms collapse in on itself to bend metal into specific forms. This machine has 2 components that rotate together to produce the same precise size thread. A mechanical arm picks up a smashed car and dumps it into a car compactor, which transforms it into a scrap metal cube. A circular pipe is brought and transformed into a square shape in a pipe deformation machine. A mechanical arm descends to attach, rotate, and peel a coconut in less than 5 seconds. A vertical table saw blade is used to instantly cut identical ice block pieces. This machine's 6 arms all perform particular tasks in order to produce an adequately coiled heavy-duty spring. A blanket is firmly spooled on a mechanical arm for packaging and transportation. There we have it! If you enjoyed watching this kind of video, please let me know in the comments below and we'll definitely make another one for you. And to see more amazing technology, innovations, ingenious tools, and pieces of equipment, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!